Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So this video I will going to inform you about the best animation of photo that you can get with the CapCut application. Open the CapCut right away and let's just go create a new project and pick the photo and then just choose the photo that you want to edit here. And the next you just need to go tap into this effects and then you just need to jump into this photo effects. So there could be like several options that you can pick here. There could be an autofill 2, or so on and so on. So the best animations that you can get here is this 3D zoom. And let's see how will it makes your photo looks better. You'll see it's much more dramatic and ends pretty well. Go click this checklist button and then you can just export it. Don't forget to adjust for the resolutions to get the better result. So that's for today's tutorial guys. Hopefully you enjoy this and let's meet again into other tutorial.